Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can quickly share the code and also upload your application to internet. So I'm going to do that with my previously implemented application slider. So let's get started. First of all, I need to go to my GitHub account. Basically, you need a GitHub account and install Git. And so I'll create repository. Let it be just slider. I'm going to make it public and just press create repository button. So and now GitHub suggests some commands and I'm going to follow them one by one. First of all, I need terminal. I have git installed and first command is for git inside our repository. Okay, then it proposed to add readme file and I will just add all my files to git, just in git out. And now we can commit and I put here slider exercise. Okay, it committed. Then we need to create branch main. Okay, it create and then change the branch to specify origin. Okay, and then push changes. And we need to wait and everything is okay. Let me check this code. Yeah, we have code on GitHub and now I can set GitHub pages and I'm going to deploy from branch main. So we have all settings and now we need to push some changes to start our GitHub action. Let me add here some h1 tag, just image, JavaScript, HTML, CSS. Okay, let me check it. Okay, we have, and now I can add my changes to Git and add comments, add h1, and I made some mistake. Git comment message, 0.5 message, and now Git push. Okay, changes were successfully pushed, and we can go to GitHub and update. Okay, and actions started. We can look at it inside actions. If we press page build and deployment, you'll see this action, and currently build is generated. Okay, and we need to wait a bit while it will be done. So, and meanwhile, we can check our application locally. It works. Okay, so let's check the options. So, and deployment started, and we need link, or we received link, and we can go live. You can share this link to your colleagues, friends, to some public on internet, and also you have all files inside this repository, and I'm going to provide code, link to the code and to the image slider, and that's all. Thank you. Goodbye.